Today, I'm here at Sam Boswell Buick GMC in Enterprise, Alabama to tell y'all about one of the least known, but probably most convenient services that we offer. It's called MobileService Plus. MobileService Plus is a subscription that gives eligible customers access to 3 different service conveniences. The first is MobileService, where one of our expert technicians comes directly to your location using our specialized mobile service van to perform select maintenance or repairs. The second is pickup and delivery. We can pick up your vehicle, bring it back here to the dealership for service, and then return it to you when the work is complete. The third is loaner with drop-off, which is exactly what it sounds like. You can bring your vehicle to the dealership and just pick up a loaner to use while your vehicle is being serviced. In this video, we're going to focus specifically on the mobile service and show you what it looks like whenever our mobile service van comes directly to a customer. And with mobile service, an expert technician can come directly to your home, workplace, or another approved location to perform select scheduled maintenance and service. Depending on the vehicle and the work needed, available services can include routine maintenance such as oil changes, brakes, tire rotations, tire replacement, wipers, filters, and much more. The mobile service van can also support certain diagnostics and service needs, including diagnostic scanning, as well as select software updates, programming, and recalls. Now let's head out with our mobile service technician, Miguel, and see how this really works. Before going anywhere, Miguel makes sure that the van is prepped and ready with all of the tools and supplies he's going to need to get the job done. So we have just arrived at Blue Water Pool Service, where Miguel is about to do a few services for one of their vehicles. I believe it's a GMC Yukon. Miguel said they're going to be doing, I believe it's an oil change, maybe a tire rotation, possibly some software updates. But we're going to follow along with Miguel and watch what he does, kind of see his process and see how this is even possible to do away from the dealership's shop. I'm really excited. Let's see how it goes. So the first thing Miguel told me when we got here was that one of his main concerns is making sure that even though he's here to do service on their vehicle, he doesn't want to interrupt their daily activities. That's kind of the whole purpose of doing a mobile service, is to be as convenient as possible for the customer. So one of the biggest challenges, I guess you would say, would be trying to get this big mobile service van in a location that isn't going to inconvenience the customer, which is why, as you can see, he's got the van all the way up to the side over here so that they still have the rest of their entire parking lot to work with. So about as convenient as we can be and still being able to perform the service he came here to do. And check out this industrial sized jack. That definitely does not come standard with your vehicle. You can see just how well equipped this van is to handle a large range of select maintenance, diagnostic, software, and recall services. And it's surprising just how quick he's able to get this job done. He was able to knock out the oil change and the tire rotation in around an hour, which is pretty impressive if you've ever done these jobs yourself and you know how time consuming they can be. But after wrapping that up, he was able to use his scan tool to determine that there were some software updates and some software recalls he needed to perform. And after knocking that out, he was done and ready to head back to the dealership to prepare for his next customer. All in all, the entire service took less than 2 hours, which is not bad at all considering that the customer didn't even have to take off from work to have the service performed. We all know that routine maintenance is a required part of owning a vehicle, but for many people, missing work to have their vehicle maintenance just isn't an option, which is a great need that the mobile service van is uniquely equipped to meet. So as you can see, mobile service gives customers another convenient way to take care of their vehicles without having to put the rest of their day on hold. If you want to subscribe to Mobile Service Plus, check your vehicle's eligibility, or get more information, call Sam Boswell Buick GMC at 334-347-2266, or come see us in person here at our store at 1309 Bullweevil Circle in Enterprise, Alabama. Services and availability may vary, and the cost of any required parts and labor is additional. We look forward to helping you find the service option that works best for you. I'm Tim Addy with Sam Boswell Automotive Group, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Sam Boswell Buick GMC. Vehicles you can depend on, people you can trust.